What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Saltwise video, and in today's video we're going to be doing a review on the Shimano Stradic 2500 HG spinning reel. I have four main issues with this reel: the drag system, the line capacity, the rotor, and the handle. First, let's talk about the line capacity. I've almost been spooled once on this reel and have been spooled once on this reel. Here's a clip of the reel absolutely screaming. So there's not really that much line capacity on this reel. You can't fit a lot of 15 or 20 pound braid. But if you're just doing inshore fishing for small redfish, anything that is like Spanish mackerel, you should be okay. I'll have the line specs on the screen right here. And from the line capacity, that brings me over to the drag system. The drag system made up in the Stradic is a felt drag washer system, and that is not very good for a $200 reel. The reason why the drag system is not good is because I've had this reel for a half a year and it burnt out before that. Off of fighting really big fish and drag ripping, this drag just didn't stand a chance. And even some other felt drag washer systems that are on cheaper reels are better than the drag system in this. So what I did is I changed out the felt washers for some carbon drag washers, and all you have to do is go to eBay, look up Carbon Tex washers. I highly recommend these ones. They haven't burned out on me and they're really good drag washers. They're only $10, and when you're spending $200 on a reel, that doesn't really seem like much, so just go ahead and get you those washers. Next up, the rotor. You can tell Shimano made it thicker just so it wouldn't snap when it's under pressure, and when drag is being pulled out on this, you can definitely see a lot of flex in the rotor. Last but not least, the handle. This thing is so thin, and it's so hard to get a grip of it while you're fishing. I mean, look how small that is. But there is a very simple solution to this problem. All you gotta do is order this 35mm Gamexus aluminum ball power handle. With the Shimano Stradic, it is kind of sad that you have to upgrade it and spend upwards to $230 from your original $200 price. Alright, let's stop talking about all the negative things that are in this reel and start talking about some really good benefits that you get in this $200 reel. Now we're going to be talking about Shimano's long stroke spool. What this does is that it allows you to cast 10 to 20 yards more. That might not seem like a big difference, but when you're doing thousands of casts, it makes a really big difference. Now we're going to be talking about Shimano's water resistant drag. What this is that it is a rubber gasket on your drag cap, and it keeps water and dust from forming on the inside of your reel. We're going to be talking about the handle. It has a little rubber seal, and on here you can just screw it right in. It is the screw-in design. You do not need to use this cap right here to screw in your handle. A couple other seals are in the spool right here and in this little cap right here. Spooled up with braid, this reel is coming in at 8.11 ounces. That is really light for a 2500 size reel. That is what really sets it apart in the market. In conclusion, it's probably not the best $200 reel that money can buy, but once you use those upgrades, it really is an awesome reel. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. We will see y'all in the next one.